This is the second time that I am doing this video, so my camera better get it together, okay? Hey KC Squad, I am back. Yes, I am back with another video, and as promised, this video is about the business venture that I told you guys about in my last video. If you have not checked that video out, I will leave it down below and you can check it out. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and definitely do not forget that notification bell, because that will just let you know every time I upload. So if you're ready to get into this video, let's go. All right, so as you know, that this video is about the business venture that I have been doing. Now, some of you guys know about it and some of you don't, and it's all about my lashes. People who know me know that I love lashes. I can have a bare face, but I will definitely throw those lashes on hands down. So just to give you a background of everything, first of all, my business name, company name, whatever you want to call it, is called Callie Shaw Beauty. Just to give you a little backstory about that, Callie is of course representing my hometown of California, and Shaw is actually Crenshaw, from the street that I grew up on. So you put that together and you have Callie Shaw. And I did Callie Shaw Beauty because I want to expand this company and primarily, you know, get into selling makeup, eyelash accessories, and any and everything that you need for eyelashes. So I definitely consider this to be a growing business. It's not just going to stop at lashes. So that is why I'm calling it Callie Shaw Beauty. This is something that I've always wanted to do, even before people selling eyelashes became popular. Now it seems to be a trend. It was something that I was into and considering. I said that this year, no matter what, I was going to get everything started and get my business running and start selling these lashes, because it seemed like everywhere that I went, you know, everyone was complimenting me on my lashes and where I got them done, and you know, all of that. So it's like, okay, well, if people is loving the lashes that I picked to wear for myself, then, you know, these same people I'm sure would want to buy lashes that I actually, you know, get with a vendor to create and, you know, sell. So this past year I have been working really hard. Actually, before this year, I have been working with vendors, just trying to see what vendor works for me and works for my brand and what I am trying to accomplish. So I did find that vendor, and we have been working hard to come up with, you know, lashes that not only I love, but, you know, the people around me will love as well. So now let's get into these lashes. I just want to start off with, I have 10 lashes and I have 2 different categories. I have natural lashes and I have dramatic lashes. These lashes are 100% mink lashes, animal cruelty free. Just say that 10 times. I'm gonna also get into faux mink lashes and silk lashes as well, for those ladies out there that still just kind of is not feeling the mink lashes, because they are some really good silk lashes and faux mink lashes out there. But right now we're just starting with 100% mink lashes. Love those because they're easy to clean, they're easy to maintain. You get a lot of wear out of those lashes. It can go up to 25 wears, just depending on, you know, how you wear the lashes. I know some people, you know, put mascara on their lashes and some people don't, but it's all about the care of the lashes. Where do you put them after you take them off and all of that. So definitely the mink lashes last a lot longer and you will get more out of your money with mink lashes. I want to start with my box. I am in love with my box. I had to find my vendor that made the boxes that I want. I just love the fact that they're not the flap up ones. I just like a slide out box. It just kind of is better to me, especially if you have it in your purse, have your lashes not flopping all over the place. So here's a box. Like I said, it is a slide out. It is white and it has Callie Shaw Beauty lashes in rose gold. On the back of it, it has our Instagram, it also has our website, and it also has our information email, just in case if you need to send an email, you have any questions or anything. Now, what I love about it is that it's a slide in. You slide it, and I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but you slide it and it pops closed. It is a magnet that keeps the box closed, and it closes it so you don't have to worry about your lashes falling out or anything like that. So now that I have told you all about Callie Shaw Beauty, now I want to give you a little bit of information about what's going on. So I will do a soft launch of the website June 21st through the 23rd. So it will be just that weekend starting at 12 a.m. and this will be open to everyone. So definitely share with a family member or a friend or whoever so they can get them a pair of lashes. This will only be that weekend, and then I will do a grand opening, a hard launch, whatever you want to call it. I will be doing that in August. With that being said, I am going to have a giveaway for that launch. So definitely stay tuned and keep watching so you can get all the information for that giveaway, because I will be giving away all 10 lashes to one grand prize winner, and then 2 other winners I will be giving a pair of free lashes with whatever purchase that they have, whether it's their first purchase or their second purchase. When you receive your package, you will get a discount code that you can use on your next purchase. So you'll have a little something for me to you. So the grand opening will be in August. So definitely stay tuned for that and keep an eye out for that, and keep an eye out for the giveaway as well. Follow Callie Shaw Beauty on Instagram because all of the information will be there. A week or so before I do the soft launch, I will give out the website, and I will be putting that up on Callie Shaw Beauty's Instagram. So that way you guys will have the website and you can go and purchase your lashes. I appreciate everyone that has been here supporting me and, just standing by my side on this project. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely share with a friend, because you want to let them know about the giveaway and definitely about the soft launch. So until the next time, animal cruelty free lashes.